Today, we are going to peel the first sound off of some words. Listen and repeat after me. Jacket, jellyfish, jam. What's the first sound in jacket, jellyfish, jam? J. Let's try another. Octopus, ox, October. What's the first sound in all of these words? Ah. Paintbrush, penny, peppermint. P. Mix, muffin, mouth. Ice cube, ice cream, icicle. I. Fence, football, finger. Kiwi, kite, keyboard. K. Alligator, apple, axe. Ah. Gumball, garden, gift. G. Shirt, shoe, shorts. Sh. Whale, watermelon, worm. W. Tie, towel, turtle. T. Queen, quick, quilt. Qu. Zoo, zucchini, zigzag. Z. Raccoon, rooster, rabbit. R. Oatmeal, oboe, oval. O. Sick, sidewalk, sunflower. S. Violin, vegetables, volcano. V. Unhappy, umbrella, under. Thermometer, thorn, thumb. All right, let's move on to part 2. We have a new sound to learn today. First, listen while I make the sound. Qua, 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 qua. Now, I want you to make the same sound, and while you do, think about what your mouth is doing and what you feel. Ready? Qua, 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 qua. I felt my mouth change shape when I made that sound. Did you notice? Qua, qua. I could feel the back of my tongue tap the roof of my mouth. Then, quickly, my lips rounded and air came out. I did it again and again because I couldn't stretch out the sound. Qua, qua, qua. We have a new friend who's hiding in our mystery bag today. If we can guess what kind of animal she is, she'll come out. I'll give you a clue. The name of this animal starts with the sound qua. She is a small, plump bird with brown and blue-gray feathers. She spends most of her time on the ground, but can fly short distances. She has a black plume on her head. Do you have a guess? She is a quail. Do you hear and feel qua, qua, qua when you start to say quail? Now, let's watch a quick video about our new friend and see if we can guess what her favorite sound is.
Hi, my name is Quincy the Quail. I live in Queens, New York, and I work in a costume shop where I quickly and quietly make costumes. My favorite sound is quack.
Now I'm going to play a short story about our new friend so that we can learn more about her. While it's playing, make sure you listen quite carefully for her favorite sound, qua, 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 qua.
Quincy is a quail who lives in Queens, New York. Most quails don't question their quiet lives, but Quincy got bored of her quaint hometown, the boring quilting bees, and quarreling over who quilted most quickly. Quincy's quest for adventure led her to Queens and the unequaled excitement of New York City. Quincy needed a job, so she inquired about one at a quirky costume shop. The shop owner asked her a question. What makes you qualified? Quincy quickly sewed sequins onto her quilted jacket. The owner squealed. That's exquisite! You're hired. Now Quincy is the costume queen of the city.
Did you notice that a lot of the words in Quincy the Quail's story started with her favorite sound, qua? Let's try to remember some of the things we heard about our new friend, Quincy the Quail. Most of the answers will start with Quincy's favorite sound, qua. Some of the answers may have the sound qua in the middle of the word instead of at the beginning. So listen carefully. Is Quincy a pigeon or a quail? Quail. Did Quincy think her life was too quiet or too busy? Quiet. Did the quails get together for quilting or sewing? Quilting. How did Quincy sew the sequins on her jacket? Carefully or quickly? Quickly. What is Quincy's new nickname, the costume queen or princess? Queen. Nice job. Now Quincy picked out some of her favorite things to tell you about. We're going to play our game Pick and Choose. Let's see if you can choose which one of these things might be her favorite. I'll give you a clue. All of her favorite words will start with her favorite sound, qua. Okay, honey, you can grab it. Now let's play a game called Pick and Choose. I will tell you two things that Quincy might pick as her favorite. Let's see if you can choose the right one. Here's a clue. Most of her favorite things start with her favorite sound, qua. Some of the answers may have the sound qua in the middle of the word instead of at the beginning, so listen carefully. Let's all say Quincy's sound again, qua. Quincy quite likes all shapes. Are they triangles or quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals. Her favorite one has sides that are equal in length. Is it a square or a rectangle? Square. Quincy's favorite color reminds her of the ocean. Is it aqua or green? Aqua. Quincy buys a quill pen for 25 cents. Does she pay with a dime or a quarter? Quarter. Quincy used to quilt quietly with other quails. She was quite surprised to meet two other animals whose names start with qua, 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 qua. One of them lives in Australia and has spots on its fur. Is it a platypus or a quail? Quail. The other is a quirky mammal that looks like a small kangaroo. Is it a quokka or a wallaby? Quokka. Quincy is generally quiet, but sometimes she starts to squirm and just needs to move. Let's see if we can pick out which actions Quincy likes best. When Quincy gets excited, her feathers shake all over. Does she quiver or tremble? Quiver. Sometimes Quincy likes to make the sounds of other animals. When she acts like a duck, does she honk or quack? Quack. If she pretends she is a mouse, does she squeak or bark? Squeak. Quincy disagrees with her friends at times. Do they argue or quarrel? Quarrel. Great job thinking about our new sound, qua, and our new friend, Quincy the quail. Let's move on to part 3. Let's see, we have some words hiding in our mystery bags. Listen to my sounds. M, and n. Man. O, n. Phone. Good. Make sure you say the answer once I finish saying all the sounds. Quail. Quail. At. Rat. Ought. Pot. Six. 6. Whale. Seal. Seal. Gate. Gate. Wave. Wave. Robe. Robe. Ship. Ship. Wig. Wig. Map. Map. Jam. Jam. Win. Win. Sad. Sad. Quick. Quick. Eat. Feet. Match. Match. Nurse. Nurse. Rose. Rose. A few more. Juice. Juice. Sock. Sock. 2 more. At. Cat. Mix. Mix. Nice work today.